All right. So for this Nomad Sculpt modeling video, we're gonna do a pitchfork. We're gonna try to do our best and see where it goes. So let's go from the top. We're gonna add a cylinder, snap 90 degrees. Right, still top. Make it smaller. Oh, thin it out right here. All right. That's not terrible, right? All right, yeah, that's good. Okay. And then we're gonna create this like Y-shaped thing, which is honestly probably not too hard, but we are gonna do our best. Okay, so what we can do is go to duplicate, and then take snap off, something like this. Right? Okay. And we're gonna also duplicate this again and bring it down, and then don't make it smaller, like 90 here. So we need to be able to make this go into that, and then we can what do you call it, and then we can like add some clay and stuff like that. So let's select this one, duplicate it, and we can just take it over here. Like, it's not terrible. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we can on the x-axis make it local. Actually, see axis and make it local, right? Right. Then put symmetry, put clay, or put move or drag. Then go to top. Be like, oh, why is it? Oh, symmetry's not on. Okay. Oh, okay. This is not terrible. And it does kind of scale in there. Okay. So let's keep doing this, that. Okay. That's not terrible at all. Okay, cool. And now what we can do is merge all these three. So do a voxel merge. Hopefully it's not too terrible when it comes to, let's see, symmetry, local, y-plane. Oof, that is not good. So we go world, C, X, okay. All right, it looks like it's right in the middle, so it's not too bad. All right. Yep, okay, cool. Then double. Oh, symmetry is not on again. Nope. Oh, lower the radius. Okay, let's take this, drag it down. We'll have a really shanky kind of shovel. But yeah, okay, it's not too bad. Okay, and then let's get out of this. Let's smooth this out. And we're gonna smooth this out a lot. We should probably add something here. Some clay, yeah. Cool. Cool. Okay. Do a voxel and smooth things out even more. We can just say these are like the grains of the, what do you call it? Oh, why didn't that work? Clay? That's weird. Alright. So those are like the grains of the wood, because the wood is, I don't know, just a fancy kind of grain. All right, so we got our kind of Y shape down. Now let's duplicate our little cylinder here. And gizmo, snap 90, go down here, top, so it should be right about here, and make this much longer. Okay, all right, and that's good. Now we're going to duplicate that. Okay. Good. Okay, and then we can do like a square block here. Top. Left, go down here, all right, and then we can do our validate. Let's duplicate this, do 90 degree, make it much thinner, right, move it this way. It's not gonna be perfect, but that's all right. And then we can duplicate this a few more times. Like this. Move it like that. And then lastly, move it like this. And it's It's pretty good. Okay, and then we just right. We do a a voxel merge, right? And then we can smooth things out. Do like a square. What do you call it? A square. Or let's add some clay here instead. No, this is pretty good. Or just make a shovel that has, oh sorry, pitchfork that has square sticks. So hopefully you like that. And if you want to use this model, you're more than welcome to. Let me just UV unwrap it for you, and it'll be up for download. Oh, I really want to finish this in a different way, but I'm not sure how long that might take. I might have to come back and redo this, but this isn't bad though. Think of it like oh god, I was gonna say like a Kingdom Hearts key, but it's a shovel and a pitchfork instead. All right, sorry about that. Yeah, let me UV unwrap this for you all. And remember, like if this model, once you download it, like you can take this like pitchfork part out and then remodel something for yourself, and this way you already have like 75% of it done. Yeah. When you do modeling, it's always good to try to do some modular pieces that can be duplicated and redone a different way. Makes your life a lot easier and it's less work overall. So like, let's say you made like a decent human anatomy, like for an adult male or adult female, keep that like the original. And then whenever you're like, you ever need that kind of model shape, you can easily just use that as your template and change it up because you know enough. And then you're literally saving maybe 2, 3, 4, if not 10 hours of work. But at least in the beginning, when you're building up your modeling skills, body-wise, it's good to start from scratch. But later on, you know, you've got the skills down, don't worry too much about it. This piece is going to take a while. Ooh, there it is. And then last UV unwrap. All right, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching and hope this video helps. If not, you know, just the model itself as reference or other things used. All right.